is my channel. I am so excited. I won a giveaway. I know, right? Like, I have never won a giveaway, but this is a special giveaway. This is a giveaway from Just Nina, and I was surprised. So you want to see all my goodies? Give me 1 second. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this channel and its content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your loyalty. And I know you're probably booing me right now because I won another, excuse me, I won another giveaway. But Just Nina is so sweet. When she first did the giveaway, and I will link her channel below, so make sure you check her out. She's just the coolest. She started out with putting it in love with food. So I immediately said, okay, I have to enter this giveaway. It's food. Well, then she's like, sorry guys, it's not food. But there was a couple. I have been fighting allergies for the last few days. My eyes have been going crazy. It's hard to wear makeup and they're just itching. So I have to keep editing the video so you don't see me like trying not to rub my eyes. But anyway, there were actually, I'm trying not to enter everybody's giveaway, but every so often, people put in something that I really, really want. And it's just like one item. I don't want the whole box because, you know, I have some of the stuff, but there's just that one item that I want. And in this case, there were like 2 items that I want. And so she was gonna do this big giveaway. And actually, because she just had so many people that wanted to win her giveaway, she was so sweet and she did 3 giveaways. But I won the big kahuna, which had the 2 that I wanted. Anyway, I'll stop mumbling. So it came in my food box and there was no food. So Nina, when I come in town, I expect some food. So it came with all this stuff, and I will let you know the 2 items that I want, I promise. The first thing is some dry shampoo. I have never mastered the art of the dry shampoo. I end up leaving flakes everywhere and it looks like I have dandruff. So if anybody knows the trick to using a dry shampoo, let me know. I actually have given some away because I don't know how to use them. I would love to be able to learn how without having flakes everywhere. So if you know the secret, let me know. So that's the first thing. And then I think this was this is one of the things. It's Ready, Set, Go Brow Kit. I have a tough time with my eyebrows. I have pretty much most of them, just at the ends, I'm losing it. And this was a full, if you can see it, it's got all the things and the brush and everything. And I thought I would give this a try. We get a lot in our BoxyCharms and our makeup boxes, but I have still yet to be able to master. I've got one that goes this way and one that goes down. So again, help on the eyebrows. I do watch a bunch of makeup tutorials and it does not come out the way that the YouTuber has them. So this was one of the items that I wanted, and this is by Salon Perfect. So I can't wait to try that. Then I think this was sunglasses. And I'm not sure if Nina tried them on, and I thought she looked good in them. But they're an aviator style. And I go through sunglasses like crazy. I end up like leaving them, dropping them. I do have my one pair of Michael Kors that my girls gave me, and I cannot lose those. But let's try these on. Do I have the movie star look? So these are kind of cool. And between, you know, having here and Washington, I can never have too many sunglasses. So these are really nice. I can't believe she gave these up. Hope she doesn't call for them back. And then I think this is an eyeshadow. It's by Wonder Beauty. I mean, she did an awesome job putting this box together. And this is a highlighter, After Hours highlighter. And this is super nice. And, okay, I actually fibbed. There were 3 things in here that I wanted. There was this Z Bandits necklace. I'm a silver wearer, and we got a necklace like this. It had pink and gold, and I'm not really a gold wearer, and when she pulled this out with the silver and that stone, I'm like, I want that. So this was another thing I wanted out of the box. I can't believe she gave this up. Nina, you're so awesome. And it came in this little mesh bag. And, okay, who doesn't need one of these? Especially now. So that was very nice. And then this rain cap. She said it had a little flaw on it, but what cap doesn't get it? I don't know, do I want to mess my hair and try it on? So she sent in this rain cap, and this was the other thing that I wanted. It was coasters. And I can't say this enough, I can't believe she gave these up. There's 4 coasters, and they're pink and turquoise. Okay, turquoise, Arizona. So these were so nice. So this is really what I wanted from the box. But then when I got the box, I'm like, oh yeah, I like this too. Oh no, I like, gosh, I keep changing my mind. There was this Visa holder where you can put your cards. I'll have to get his scissors. I don't know where she got it, but how cute is this where you can just throw it, like I can just throw it in the bike bag. You can just throw it in your purse, and it just keeps all your credit cards. So I really thought that was nice. Now, she did not insert the money in this card, so we will have to have a talk. But it's called a silo pop. So I don't know where she's getting all these great items from. I watch her channel and I can see her unbox those. And then there is the Betty Poop by Ipsy. And I think this came in a boxy charm. I don't know if I got this or not. Can't remember, but these, look at those colors. Those are beautiful. Now you see why everybody wanted to win this. And Hair Food, sulfate-free, dye-free, mineral oil-free, and this is a nourishing conditioner. And I always use hair products. I don't know if any of you watch Reviews with Sue. I will leave her link below. She has the most gorgeous hair ever. It's super long and it's super thick. And I'm like, all I want you to do is cut off your hair and send it to me when she does her giveaways, because she's got the most beautiful hair. So you have to check out her channel just to see her hair. Sometimes she leaves it straight and sometimes she curls it. Beautiful hair. And then we have Perlice, and this is coconut oil and coffee, and it's a sugar body scrub, and I bet you it smells awesome. And we have a Trazique powder stick. That sounds nice. All over Starlighter. Gotta check this out. You know how I am with damaging boxes. I'm gonna have to try this. I'll probably break it. Oh. That's what it looks like inside. That is awesome. And we have perfect edges. It looks like a mask. And number 7 serum. Some little goodies in there. And then we have some earrings. And Toco Salt Ear Cucumber. Is it a candle? She said she was going to throw some extra things in the box. Oh, it's a candle. And a mask, Supreme Revitalizing Mask. And is this a keychain? It's something, it's an invisible. Does it go in your hair? Oh, there's directions on the back. Looks like it goes in your hair. And an eyeshadow, long-lasting eyeshadow sticks. I have been using an eyeshadow stick and I actually like them. Blue by Jean Sao Clear Spot Control. Oh, there are some neat things in here. Do I actually look like weird with my hat on? Okay, not sure what this is. I have to check it out because look at the color. So I will read on that. And then we got another little sample. And hair food, more hair food, dye-free. I'm not sure. Oh, this is a shampoo. This must go with that conditioner. And this is for your roots. And oil mist. And this is by NYX. It's a lipstick. And oh, I know Kayla's gonna be calling me up. It's a hair bobble, Invisibobble, but it's an animal. So I think that was everything in my box. I have to check out this Lux thing though. It's probably just an oil that goes on to control your spots, but it looks like the old-fashioned iodine. So I got shampoo and conditioner. As I said, what I wanted was this card case. I thought that was pretty cool. And my coasters. Sorry, she put so much stuff in here. Coasters and blushers. And there's my necklace. And my necklace. And another by Wonder Beauty. And this brow kit, I can't wait to try. And please, if you know how to use this dry shampoo, let me know. And I have on my hat, so I might as well go all out crazy and put on my sunglasses. So please check out Nina's channel. She is so awesome. She just gets on there, she tells it like it is. She does shout out Sundays. She does sample Saturdays. She does all sorts of unboxings. You're just gonna love her. And Nina, thank you so much. Sorry it took so long to put this video up. And again, all of you have an awesome day.